Alright everybody, I'm at the grocery store. How to choose the right avocado. First thing I look for is this button. It's got to have that little button in. That keeps the avocado fresh, doesn't let air go in. If air goes inside, it could rot the avocado from the inside out. So first thing you look for is that little button. That's the stem end. That's where the avocado was picked. That's where it's connected to the tree. And you want to have that little button thing. That's the first thing I look for. Second thing, 95% of the time you're going to be dealing with these Hass avocados. 95% of the time you go to the grocery store. And a little trick that packers do is they try to, sometimes they'll cover a blemish or a dent or a scratch with the sticker. So I always take off the sticker and I check the avocado, make sure it's all, there's no scratches, there's no bumps, there's no black spots, there's no like indentations or other stuff. This one's pretty good. This one looks good. I like to buy them green and then ripen them at home. This one is no good. You don't want this. That's going to be a problem. That's not going to ripen properly. So we're going to avoid that. And look, it doesn't have its button. Button's gone. That's not a good one. So we look for a good one like this. Green, uniform. And then you want to give it just a very soft, gentle squeeze. Not too hard. You're not doing a power grip. Just a gentle squeeze. And what you're doing is you're looking for, you don't want to find any little soft spots when the avocado is unripe. If there's soft spots at the unripe stage, it's not going to be good. It's not going to ripen properly and you're going to have a problem. So here's a good one right here. Oh, no button. Here's a good one. It's uniform green and, oh no, see this might be a problem down the road. So we're going to look for a better one. This is a good one. Uniform green, no bumps, no black spots, and looks like it's going to ripen up properly. I don't see any ripe ones here. If you can't wait, you're impatient, you want guacamole tonight, find one that's all black. This is no good, see? It's not gonna ripen properly. Find one that's all black, give it a soft squeeze. If it's uniformly soft all around and not really soft spots, then you found a good one and it's good to go. All right, people, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, give me a like. I'm gonna start a series of choosing fruits the right way. I'm going to start going down the list: avocado, apple, mango, banana, the whole thing. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Bye.